Today on Tracy's hair, we are giving her an updated version of what she has for color right now. So what we're using is saving from conflict in our product to put the color on the hair so it gives extra protection. So what we're going to do is give her a base color. It's a little bit lighter right around the face. And then we're doing second base color back through here that is a little bit deeper, darker, and then we're going to go through the balayage through her end so we can update the highlight look. I'm going to apply Save Me From Chemical Conflict all over her ends before we put the balayage in. So today we're using Save Me From Chemical Conflict mixed right into the bleach for extra protection. Today we're using age acceleration from Save Me From to blow dry her hair. We just colored it and we're going to see what the results look like.